You must have heard of doctors recommending you to increase your fiber intake. But how does fiber help you? Fiber is a very important nutrient that you must include in your diet on a daily basis. Fiber not just helps you with better bowel function, but it also helps you stabilize your cholesterol levels and your blood sugar levels and makes you feel fuller for a long time. Fiber can help you lower your chances of diabetes and heart disease. It is recommended to take 30 to 40 grams of fiber every day on a 2000 calorie diet. Here are some ways you can increase your fiber intake. Number 1. Start slow. If your diet has been lacking in fiber for a prolonged period of time, it is advised to gradually increase your fiber intake instead of increasing it suddenly and drastically. So this could mean adding a small bowl of salad along with your lunch or adding one fruit as a part of your breakfast. This will ensure that you do not experience symptoms such as bloating or cramps and your gut can adapt well to the fiber. Number 2. Opt for whole grains. When you purchase something that is refined, it means that not just the fiber is removed, but also it is stripped of other important nutrients such as B complex vitamins and other nutrients such as iron, calcium and magnesium. So when you're out grocery shopping, make sure that you pick whole grains and not their refined counterparts. For example, you could opt for whole wheat bread instead of bread that contains refined flour. Number 3. Pick a whole fruit instead of juicing it. You may have thought that fruit juice is healthy for you, but in fact, when fiber is removed from fruits to just obtain the juice, the fruit juice can lead to a spike in your blood sugar levels, and this may not be entirely healthy for you. So it is best to consume the fruit as it is so that you get the fiber as well as all the nutrients are retained when you're consuming it. Make sure that as you increase your fiber intake, you also get in sufficient amount of water so that your body gets well adapted to all the extra fiber that you're getting.